Um, Ever wonder what happens when someone tries to truly escape themselves? Michaela Coel's new series dives into just that. And following the success of Coel is back with sort of a 10-part drama co-produced by HBO and the BBC. Um, Production is now underway, and uh, the cast is incredible. Um, and Nikiti Gatwa, known for his role in, um, joins the project as Darren. Um, Alongside him is Tandiwe Newton of fame, portraying Anya. Maxine Peake, recognized from Will Play Helen, and Ganny Sapany from takes on the role of Ernest. The story centers around Henry and Cole's character as she flees her life, relationships, and even a peculiar fan from her book tour. She seeks refuge in her ancestral homeland of Ghana, hoping for a fresh start. But Ghana isn't just a place to hide. Henri finds herself immersed in a new world of friendships, love, and joy. However, secrets, lies, and difficult truths quickly surface, forcing her to question everything she thought she knew about her family and heritage. And so Coel expresses her excitement about, collaborating with Val, HBO, the BBC, and A24. She believes the combined expertise will ensure the show is in capable hands. She hopes audiences worldwide will connect with Henry's journey. While working on, Coel is also finishing up another project, the psycho thriller, filming wrapped in 2024, and the movie directed by David Lowery is set for release in April. The film stars Anne Hathaway, Hunter Schafer, and Cyan Clifford. It centers around a pop star and her reunion with an old friend. Lowery hints the film is wild and will provoke strong reactions. He admits even he's surprised by where the story went. It seems Coel isn't afraid to tackle complex personal stories. Uh, she's proving herself to be a force in television and film. And if running from yourself doesn't work, maybe just change your name and move to Ghana. It's certainly a bold move. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, see you next time.